Yeah, so basically what happens over here is that every so often, you know, our Workato recipe that we have run internally, we have built a recipe to monitor, applications that we use internally. So here is an example of Zoom. So we actually flag out users who have not meet the criteria, and therefore, kind of in the condition that we are actually able to downgrade those accounts. So you'll see a list of users over there. You can see that me and Reina are in that list. Um, and what happens here is that the administrator will receive this notification. They can then say that, okay, let's kind of figure out who should be downgraded and who should not. So for example, if John should not be downgraded because he wasn't using it because he was on leave and now he's coming back, I can remove John from the list, right? Now, everyone else on the list, right, as you can see over here, Reina has just removed John from the list. Everyone else from the list here, we can actually notify them that, hey, your account is being scheduled for that downgrade. So let's click notify user. So over here, Reina is one of the users that is scheduled for downgrade, and therefore she received this notification. And she has a choice, right? One is that she can acknowledge and say, okay, no problem, downgrade my account, or raise a issue and say, hey, please let me retain my account. And in this case, she can click I wish to retain my account. What happens is that we send the manager automatically an approval process, right, on Slack. The manager just need to click approve, and Reina will keep her account. And then on the flip side, if we kind of notify the same set of users again, because Reina still have an account, she can actually click acknowledge. And once she click acknowledge over here, basically the bot automatically sends a API call to Zoom to downgrade her account. Now, what is important here is if you automatically downgrade and deprovision accounts, you want to make it easy for people to upgrade their accounts if they really have to have access to those apps. So over here, Reina can just simply click on request license upgrade. And again, the manager receives an approval. They can click a button to approve, and Reina automatically gets access to the Zoom app, right? So we want to simplify that process. And with this bot, it actually help us to save costs, but also at the same time give access to people who really needs the applications that we are spending money on.